I have been in the beauty industry for over 20 years, and I've never put on press-on nails. It can't be that difficult, can it? Something went terribly wrong. Boo! Let's do some press-ons. All right, let's see what I need here. Oh my gosh, look at this little tiny file. One side is pink and one side is blue, but they feel the same. Gonna swap that out. Gonna do a little professional trade. Use our Erica's diamond file. I know, I got stubs right now. No judgment, that's why we're doing some press-ons. First step, shape your nails. Oh, isn't that cute? I got a chopstick. Okay, or half of an orange wood stick. Again, professional upgrade. Erica's pusher. Release that back part. Oh my gosh, this might be a game changer for me. Help a girl out. Clean your nails. The oils are not your friend. Actually, I would wash your hands first, strip the oils, and then go over with an alcohol pad. Really clean it up. And then you gotta decide, how permanent do you wanna go? Is this like, trying to impress first date, online dating? Or no, girl needs to look good for a week. Because bacteria can get in this, but I'll tell you what, let's do both. Okay. Size it up, call a stiletto nail. This is what you call death to your eyeball. My nail plates are crying right now. I know exactly what's gonna happen tonight. My kids are gonna get forked. I'm gonna slam my fingers into the car door. Are we back on? All right, let's go. Let's pull out the glue. I'll tell you what, this is the scariest thing. How hard can this be? I'm gonna put a little bit on me, but not too much. Scrub it in. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Should have I read the directions? Nah, it's glue. I got elementary school kids. I know how this works. Look, you just press it on, right? And then you hold it. Oh no, I got my skin. It's okay. Oh, when you're doing this, make sure when they're this long that you do it straight. Wow, what a difference that just made. I used to go from like looking to... When it starts to pop off on like that after I've applied pressure, you know what that tells me? I need to go see a nail tech. Just kidding, I am one. I gotta put more glue on. But don't do too much glue where you like start to glue your fingers together or glue your skin to the tip. You know what would be a great idea? Oh, we should do a challenge. Like when somebody, like, you know, when you're like, oh, you want to bet and like you don't really want to shave your head, or have cold water dumped on you. It's like, if I lose, you have to wear stiletto or coffin nails for an entire day. That was actually surprisingly easy. So let me tell you a hack for putting on fake nails. I don't have one. This is my first time. We're learning together. But let's just give it a minute and then we will do the... After 20 years in the nail industry, it is safe to say press-on nails are not my jam. Give me a builder gel and a dry manicure any day and I can slay. But something went terribly wrong. Anybody else know that the non-dominant hand is a true struggle? Oh, when you're doing this, make sure when they're this long that you do it straight. Well, here's your example. Good luck with your press-ons. Can somebody call my nail tech? This is not gonna work for a week.